Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and hello if you're new here. So for today's video we have got my lovely Elle mannequin here today. She is going to be our hair model and we are going to go through how I would prep, curl and style Hollywood waves. So as you can see, the mannequin has slightly longer hair. She has got 24 inches of hair and 240 grams. So quite long, quite thick hair. But she has got a trim on the ends where it feathers out into a V. So I'm going to show you how I would style it and curl it and the end result of how it would look on this type of hair. So for Hollywood waves, I like to create my parting slightly off center. I do like to start it midway from the brow, just as a rough guideline. I find it just creates this really nice lift in the bigger side of the parting where you're going to want some volume and have the curls curling backwards. And then the bit that you would either tuck behind the ear or just have out that's going to curl inwards, I like to have that slightly thinner and flatter because it tends to be tucked behind the ear, a bit like how my hair is. So I quite like to have my parting there just as a reference, but you can put it wherever you want and do the same Hollywood wave curl technique. So with your front section, we're going to apply some heat defense. We're going to comb it through just with a wide tooth comb, and then we're going to start curling the hair. So to curl the hair, you're just going to grab a 2 centimeter width section, and then I'm going to wrap it around the curling iron. I will link all products and equipment below for you. And we're curling this away from the face to the left hand side, so my left. And you're just going to wrap it round. And you want to keep this flat to the curling iron. You don't want to twist it as you're going round, and you want to get the ends in. So you're keeping it flat like so. And we're just going to hold that and then release and let it drop and just hold it for a little bit just so it cools. And this is the curl that you achieve. So you want to work through each section, working up the head. I'm going to now curl the whole head and then come back and show you how I would style the curls and brush them through.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
So now I've curled the whole head, I'm going to comb it through with a wide tooth comb just to get the curls out, and then we can start styling it into place.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
So now that we've brushed out our Hollywood waves, we really want to start defining each row within the wave, and then we want to start framing the face. So for the smaller section, to frame the face, I like to actually tuck mine behind the ear. I am going to use a little bit of the Osis Tame Wild cream, and this is really nice just to style that front section. So I like to apply this just at the root to get rid of any flyaways, and then brush it round and tuck it. So I've secured the bit behind the ear just with a bobby pin. I am going to be going in and putting in a hair accessory and also a veil. So I've just put that there so it doesn't get in the way and ruin how we're now going to style the rest of this side. I like to use my fork comb and a medium hold hairspray. We will be going in with a stronger hold hairspray, but for styling you want something that's workable. So in order to get this style absolutely perfect, it is a case of just keep brushing and spraying in order to set those waves. And then I do like to use my brush or comb just to create the bumps in the hair.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay.
And when you're combing, you want to comb part of the section that you've just combed and styled, because you want to re-blend it in so that you haven't got any harsh lines and gaps between each of the sections.
My world's on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do.
Now for the front area, we have got quite a lot of hair on this side, and I want to give it a bit more body at the top here. So we're just going to use our fingers and our hands just to bring up that back combing that we did. It acts like a bit of a nest, like a padding under the hair, and I like to just go under it with the tooth of my comb and bring it up. Now some people might want the hair to be sitting over the face, or they might want the hair to raise up and create that volume and that lift here like I'm creating now. And you're just going to comb it backwards, use your finger to hold it and smooth out those edges. Going in with your hairspray, you're just going to set that. Take a little bit of styling cream. We are going to smooth out the edges. So, a little bit in your fingers, and you want to hold where you're applying this, so just above, just so that you're not sort of pulling it away from the head. And you're just going to go into those ends and define those and smooth them out. Get rid of all those flyaways.
Till we grow old, please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my.
Now I'm going in with my Stronghold hairspray just to set that. So right at the end, we're just going to go in with our hairspray again. However, we're not actually spraying the hairspray. We are just going to use it to roll into the hair just where we'd sprayed previously, just to imprint that wave. So this is the finished look. I've just popped in a really cute bridal hair accessory just to finish it off. You could also put a hair comb on one side or a hair vine, but I thought this would look quite nice. And you can also bring the hair to the front if they want to show off some of that curl, or you can leave it at the back so that when they wear it all at the back for photos, you've then got that nice uniform Hollywood wave. So I hope you enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down below on what videos you would like me to do next. If you have any particular requests on hairstyles, let me know, because I'd absolutely love to recreate them for you.
You said